Hi, I'm Jasmine and my student ID is 252DC253SK, and this is my video for data structure and algorithms with the program Florist Management System. Now, as you can see, this is our interface, very easy to read. And now there is 3 sections to this management system: inventory management, sales history, and customer orders. Inventory management is more to linked list. Sales history also has a few linked lists as well as customer orders, but it's only applied to a few. And it also has stack and queue. There's also selection sort, and I'll just go ahead and tell you what all those options do and what operations they use. First, we have add flower to inventory. Now this is definitely linked to list, and what it does, it just adds a new flower node at the end of the linked list, which is very simple. Next, we have display all flowers. This is traversal, so it would just go through all the flowers you have added into the management system. Next, you have search by ID. So for search by ID, it's linear search using ID as the key. Next, we have search by name. It's the same thing. It also uses linear searching, but it uses the name and it does manual string comparison. So what that means is that first it will try to compare character by character. Let's say sunflower S, okay, U, okay. Then after that, you have to check if both of the words, what you want to find and the word you typed in, are the same length. So that is how it works for this part. Next would be to update the flower. This is to search and to modify the data. This is very simple. Then we have delete flower. This is the deletion in the linked list operation, so you just delete a node from the linked list. Next, you move to sales history. Next one is record new sale, and this is where stack operation goes into play. This is push, so this uses the LIFO, last in first out. Next, we have view last sale, so this uses peek and it views the most recent sale without removing it from the stack. Very simple. And next is undo last sale, so this is pop, so it just removes the recent sale from the top of the stack, and then that is what the undo feature does. Next would be display sales history. This is to traverse through the entire stack one by one. Next would be customer orders. So for customer orders, we use queue operations. For queue, the first one is add customer order. So since it's queue, this is a first in first out maneuver, and what it does, it adds a customer order to the back of the queue. Next would be process next order. This is DQ. It removes and then it processes the order which is at the front of the queue. Then number 14, to view next order, it is also to view the front without removing it, so like the front of the queue but without removing the node away, and it will just view the order to be processed and it won't remove it. Last but not least, we have display all pending orders. This is also to traverse through all the nodes in the queue, and this actually shows the pending order from front to back. So then of course we have exit. It will just exit out of the system when we are done. First, we'll do the first one, which is add flower, put it to 101, sunflower, and then maybe 12 ringgit. then we'll put 20 for the quantity, and after we click enter, we scroll up and we can see that it says the flower has added successfully. Very nice. Now let's try number 2, which is displaying, and then if we look up, it does display it, so it works. Now what happens if we don't have a flower? So let's use number 6 first, delete the flower. As you can see, it has been deleted. Okay, then we will use number 2. It says no flower in inventory. Okay, so now we're gonna add back the flower for the other operations to run. Next would be number 3. Then we will use 101 as our ID, and we have found it. That is our flower. If you try to search 102, it doesn't show up, as you can see. Now we try search by name. We type sunflower, and yep, it's found. There we go. Now if we were to type like another flower like rose, it doesn't show up because we did not put that in the database. Next would be number 5, to update the flowers. There you go. That shows us what we have previously put. Then we put a new name. This one I just put a new price to 10, and then quantity is still the same, and if you see up there, the price has changed. Next we display again, and as you can see, the price has changed. After that, numbers. First we'll delete the flower, and as you can see, it's deleted. Now if we try to display all flowers, so there's no flowers. Now we just add back the sunflower. Okay, we've added it back. Now let's add a rose. This will be our second one. Now if we use number 7, you can see now it's sorted by price, but in ascending order. So 10 ringgit, then 20 ringgit. Next, we're gonna use number 8. So let's say we want to record a new sale. We're gonna sell a sunflower for 12 ringgit. That's the price for one sunflower, and we're gonna sell 20. So it shows you that we have added a sale. Next, we're gonna do number 9. It's this view last sale, and yep, total amount 240 because we sold 20. Next, we will go for number 10, which is to undo the last sale. As you can see, we have undone it successfully. Then let's go ahead and record another new sale for the undo last sale. So we'll put a sunflower again, 12 ringgit, and then we'll put 2, and then as you can see, it has recorded the sale once again. Now let's do 102. We're gonna add a new flower, which is rose. Okay, it has recorded successfully. Now when we do 11, which is to display, as you can see, it displays it. Okay, next would be number 12. So let's say that the customer ID is 222, then they want to buy 3 sunflowers. There you go, the order has been queued successfully. Now let's add another one. The customer ID 333, and they want a rose. One rose is 20, and they want 4. You see it has been queued also. Then let's see, if we go for 13, which is to process the next order, you can see that the next order is 222. It has been processed. Now if we do 14, the latest order would actually be 333, which is correct. Then if we do 15, which is to display pending orders, it's still 333. And then last but not least is exit, and as you can see, thank you for using Jasmine's Flower Shop. And that is how my code works.